Welcome back to another interesting tutorial, and in this video I will show you on how to see your Gmail password very quickly. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to open my Gmail app right here. Then after open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on sign in security. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to password manager. Go ahead and click on password manager. Now you are here. For you to fill your Gmail password, go ahead and click on google.com. Enter your verification code. Hit on OK. Now you are here. You have access back to your Gmail username and your password right here. For you to fill the password, simply click on this eye icon. You have access back to your Gmail password. It's that simple. You will see as many as possible password you have on that particular account right here. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.